friends, today we will discuss about Gutenberg block development, and today I am starting new series for Gutenberg block development, and in this video I will talk about basics of Gutenberg development. So via WordPress they provide some package at here, like WordPress create blog at the latest, and some name like to do list. So via to do list they uh, this is slug via which our plugin will generate, and our blog also with same name. And uh, what is benefit of learn blog development? If we work with WordPress VIP, if we work with core thing and speed speed of speed thing, uh, we, as we know, uh, Gutenberg block is best, and so and if we talk about speed etc, then if if website is with Gutenberg block, then it is fast, and then other block other builder like other builder. So we should focus more and more, and I also know, if we talk about job etc, then if you know better development with Gutenberg, then it provide good chance for uh, development etc, for provide good job. And we can also use our React experience and ECMAScripts experience with Gutenberg block development. So we should focus for these things. So let's start it. First I go to plugin folder, and then I install this command. It is taking some time, so uh, I am okay. I think it is compiled. Okay, now it is good, and it is installed. So first it is basically all like when we when we run npx for React thing, so same thing at here. So first change directory to do list, and then run npm start. Now it is generated, and after that activate plugin, wp plugin activate to do list, to do list. Oh, this does not seem like a business to this. Sorry. I think cool. 1 minute. Right here. Terminal. ls. Okay, now I think I was wrong in wrong directory, so I have to install all thing again. First of all, npx and create block latest to do list. It is taking some time, so I am pausing my video and I will come again. Now installation is done. Now first I will change directory to do list and then npm start. Now it is started. Now I will activate wp plugin, activate to do list. Oh, wp plugin activate. Okay, space must be here. wp plugin activate to do list. Okay, now it is activated. Now go to pages and for check we will just search at here and with to do list. Now it is coming and now date. Let's go to front end. Now it is coming to do list. Hello, save content. So now let's check file structure for this block. So this block have main core file is package to do list.php main file, and at here register block type is main file and at action in it, and at here some callback, and inside callback register block type is there. So it is adding block etc, and block build file is inside at here. So all code will be come after as we run wp npm start etc. So all thing is managing from here, but we do not change anything inside here. We will always work at source file, and like index.js is main file, main, and block.json is the root file for all thing. So if you want to define your package block name etc, then you can change it here, and title and category at here, attribute also at here. We will work on lots of attribute at here, and at here we also define css file also, like editor dot which file for edit. So edit at here, and editor for index.css, and for style index.css, and view script view.js. So okay, now I am explaining like index.js is main file at here, and if you know any something about react.js, then it is also have same structure like react, like import register block type from WordPress block etc. So basic structure is import etc. From other file, other folder or other file. So it is ECMA 6 notation, and all thing is happening here. And inside register block type, I am adding edit file and save file at here. Inside edit file and save file, edit file is basically defined for editor, um, editor, WP editor. So at here, I import editor.scss for CSS part, and it is for basically which will we see in the backend. And for save.js, it is basically responsible for front end. And at here I can we can see all thing, if we want to change anything, then it will reflect at the front end. And it this uh, this npx generate package.json also, which is very good for development etc. Before before this boilerplate, it is really very difficult to set up JSX with Gutenberg. So nowadays it is very simple with JSX. They provide really good in good setup, like build command, format command, and plugin zip command and start command. So there are lots of easy and automating thing available in the Gutenberg nowadays. So I think it is good for now. And in the other video we will check block thing, how can add more thing inside it here. Inspect controller, how can manage inspect controller at here, how can add more feature at here, how can add attribute, how can manage attribute. Basically attribute is very good, and we should understand more and more about attribute, because attribute is a good thing for block development. And in the advanced level we will also work on dynamic block and other block also. And we will do one big project, a big block on it. So for today I think it is big video. Now in the next video we will discuss on this inspect this setting thing. Thanks for watching, and if you like this content, please